No more worrying about stains, dirt, and spills ruining your mattress. Cushy Form makes cleaning your foldable mattress a breeze with a removable zipper cover that you can machine wash and dry. Keep your mattress looking brand new for years to come. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Comfort and convenience. This 75 inches by 31 inches by 4 inches floor mattress for sleep is made of a rich high-density foam that is comfortable for sleeping, napping, or exercising on. Because of the compact design, the foldable bed won't take up valuable luggage room in the trunk. Number 2. Portability. The foldable mattress comes with a storage case that easily fits inside. The travel case has built-in handles which makes it easy to transport, giving you the chance to take the trifold mattress on the road for many occasions. Number 3. Multi-purpose. Too many guests and not enough beds. Need a stowaway bed while traveling? These portable beds for adults and kids solve all kinds of problems. Use in an RV, for sleepovers, camping, or stretching before a workout. Number 4. High quality. Produced with high-density foam, the portable mattress material is plush and breathable, making it convenient and comfortable but also strong enough to last. Number 5. Easy to clean and store. Because the tri-folding mattress folds into a compact form, it is easy to stow in closets, underneath beds, or in most nooks until the next time you need it. The ultra-soft cover is easily removable and machine washable. Number 6. Perfect for company, too many guests, and not enough beds. Cushy Form's mattress provides guests with a night of uninterrupted sleep you can't get with a faulty air mattress or uncomfortable sleeping bag. Number 7. Comfort away from home. Bring the comfort of your bedroom with you on camping and road trips. Our compact carrying case makes traveling with the mattress painless. Number 8. Doubles as a playmat. Our 30 per US certified mattress offers a safe and comfortable environment for little ones. Number 9. Endless sleepovers. Whether hosting a sleepover or spending the night at grandma's, you'll no longer have to worry about figuring out sleep situations, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.